I'm the performance analyst that covers across all the women's squads. Basically on a day-to-day basis I'll be working out of Dragon Park, and within the camp environment I'll sort of look at the training. From that we'll sort of discuss with the clips from that come out from training, sort of our focus areas that we look at. We'll put that into sort of like a video file and review it in a team meeting that we have on the night. Regarding the games that we have on camp, again Jane and I and Lauren would sit down and look through all the clips and the focus areas again, and we put it together for another meeting that we'll have. Some girls love watching themselves back and loving to analyse their performance and have discussions with the coaches and the peers amongst the group. I've got a big respect for everyone in this group. They've been very receptive since I've come in. We've put a lot more on them to watch themselves in this environment, because it's international competition is very intense. It's something that we really need to sort of hone in on, the little 1%, and I think it's been fantastic so far to work with these girls. There's a lot of girls who have been lucky enough to come up from the performance squad, and they are stepping up to the plate, and that these little things that we do day in, day out have actually come to the fore. It's been really good to see.